Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to hack Terraria with cheat engine. So, first thing you want to do, you definitely want to open cheat engine in Terraria. And then what you're going to do is go into a Terraria game. You can go into, you can play by yourself or with friends if you want. I'm just going to create a new character. Create. Alright, where is he? Here we go. We'll make a new world to prove that I'm not just getting stuff from the world or anything. Alright, I think it's almost done. Maybe a little bit longer. Okay, there we go. What is it? I think it's World 3? If I'm not mistaken. Okay. Here we go. So, I have, this is all I have, right? I'm gonna chop down some wood. Now, you're gonna want at least, like, 5 pieces of the item. There we go. You're gonna most likely want at least like 5 pieces of whatever item you're using. Alright. We have 31. Hold on, let me kill this thing real quick. Okay, then what you're gonna do is, alright, so we have 31 wood, right? Minimize that, open up cheat engine. We're gonna look for Terraria. We're gonna open it. Alright, now we're gonna type in, what was your value? Alright, we're gonna type in 31. Oops. 31. Now, we're gonna put down 1 block. Now we have 30. So we're gonna type in 30. We only have 1 value at 30. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the value by, first we're going to double click that, it'll come down here, and then you're going to double click the value number, and then you're going to change it whatever you want. I want 4 9s, or however many you want, it doesn't matter. You can make it active, I'm pretty sure that makes it unlimited completely. Now we have, voila, we're unlimited. You can pretty much make it as much as you want. And if you turn on active, if you click that active button, you're literally like unlimited. I don't use it too much, but yeah, if you use it, you're completely unlimited. Here, I can show you guys a few more things, if I can get it done pretty fast. Alright, let's see, see if I can make torches or something. Oh, alright, we can do it with copper coins, actually. Alright, here we go. Torches. We'll get some more torches then, and I'll show you guys with copper coins now. We have 44 copper coins, right? Alright, we're gonna click new scan, and type in 44. I'm gonna go back to Terraria, and then we're going to make 100 copper coins. And we're gonna attempt, there we go. That should hopefully work, I don't know. Copper coins are kind of hard. Actually, hold on. There we go, let's throw those out, and I forgot how to take one. Alright. Grab some of these. We're back to 44. If you can't tell already, I'm not the best at this game. Okay, here we go. What is it, like this button? This button. When is to drop? I don't play this game too much, so I'm gonna seem very newbie at trying to drop this. Hold up. We'll fix it. Alright, escape. Alright, oh wait, is it control? Nope. Well, anyways. Hopefully, oh, wait, that one? No. Great, if you have 100 silver coins, it's a lot easier, but... alright, so you have 44. If you have, like, a merchant or something, just buy from the merchant or whatever. We don't have a merchant, so we're gonna attempt... Oh, now it works, of course. Yep, now it... Alright, anyways, now we have 43 coins. Looked like such a noob right there. Alright, so now we have 43 coins. We only have 143 left. Change the value of this to 999,999,999,999. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's not... Okay, that's too high, apparently. It's too high. The game doesn't support that. We're just gonna make it that high. Oops. Alright, now we have that many. We're just gonna drop those. Pick them up. Oh, that didn't work. Sometimes it works. Oh, I guess it did work, sorta. Yeah, if only, they need to add like a button. Oh, there we go. There we go. So, yeah. That is, they do it. Then what you can do, alright, so we have 3 gold coins. Let's silver. Let's make some more silver coins. Alright, and then we'll make some more gold coins. There we go, now we have six gold coins, and we're gonna take these gold coins. Let's see how many we have again. That was 6, right? Yeah, 6. New value, or new scan, 6. Back to the game. Take 1. Oh yeah, it worked. Alright, now we have 5. Type in 5. Take 1. Now we have 4. And wait, we forgot to rescan it, sorry. Alright, there we go. That's an important thing. You have to make sure you always have to make sure it's a new scan. Or else yeah, or else it's not gonna work. So first scan. Did take 1 away. And minimize the game, and 5. Hopefully it'll work this time. I hope. 4. Minimize? Okay, there we go. 4. No, not 4. 4, oh. Okay, I think I know what happened. Anyways. Let's see if we can find more torches. It should work technically. I don't know why it's not working properly, but, yeah. So, it pretty much works... Oh, here, I told my friend with this once. So, if you find random shurikens or something in a chest or something, it's fun to do it on those. You know, just do it on those and be like, a boss, oh, whoops. First scan, new scan. It's really fun to do it on these, because it's like... Especially if it's like a new world with your friends or something. Because you go, oh man, I found some shurikens. And then what my friend did was he started making snowballs. He's like, oh my goodness dude, I have like 5 stacks of snowballs. And I was like, I have 999 something thousand shurikens. He's like, no way, I don't believe you. So eventually I made him believe me because I know I put in this many. And if you make it active, it doesn't matter how many you have, because you'll never run out. And yeah, I helped him, like, because like, he was like, well, how do you have so many? I'm like, dude, I'm telling you, I have 900 something thousand. Yeah, so, that's how you use cheat engine on Terraria. I don't know why I didn't look for the gold, to get the gold, but it does work, or it should work at least. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe for more. If you want to see more, if you don't want to see more, then just rate and comment. If you guys didn't like the video, just tell me you didn't like about it, and maybe I can fix it in the future. So yeah. Please rate, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.